This lesson is on 1.3b1. Here is an example, limit of tangent x as x approaches 0. Now in this situation, put the number in, whatever this is, since this is 0, put the 0 in. However, make sure that this number that you put in must be in degree mode. One more time. The number that you put in, so here is 0. When you plug in the number, make sure it is in degree mode. Now 0 is already in degree mode. Okay, one more time. The number you plug in must be in degrees mode. Okay, 0 is already degree mode, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, other numbers, make sure it is in degree modes. Okay, now all you have to do is use your calculator, tangent 0, just type it in, tangent 0, or sometime it is backward, 0 tangent. Okay, when you plug into your calculator, you either type in tangent 0 or 0 tangent, okay, and it will come out to be 0. Make sure your calculator is also in degree mode. One more time. Also, your calculator must be in degree mode. Okay, so that is the first example. Okay, what happened when it is not in degree mode? So for example, to change radian to degree, okay, to change radian to degree, by default you will always multiply by 180 over pi. One more time. To change radians into degrees, you will multiply by 180 over pi. And this is by default. Okay, so whatever your radian is, you will multiply by 180 over pi. Okay, so pi over 2 times this. Again, where is pi over 2? I randomly chose pi over 2. I could pick any radian I want to. It just happened that I chose pi over 2. Okay, so all you have to do is take this value, multiply by 180 over pi. As you can see, the pi get canceled. So I have 180 over 2, and 180 over 2 is 90 degrees. So pi over 2 is the same as 90 degree. One more time. Pi over 2 is the same as 90 degree. Pi over 2 is in radians. 90 degrees is in 90 is in degrees. Okay, so pi over 2 is radians. 90 is in degrees. Okay, again, the reason why we want to change it to degrees because it's easier. Okay, and your calculator takes degrees. Okay, so here's another example. Okay, where our value is not 0 anymore. It is in radians. So you need to change radians into degrees. One more time. You need to change radians into degrees. Well, we already did that up here where I say note. Okay, so pi over 2, if you look, pi over 2 times 180 over pi will gives me 90 degrees. Okay, so one more time. When you do this, you make sure that it is in degree mode. Okay, so rewrite it. So sine, so plug it in, pi over 2, sine pi over 2, find out what the degree is, which is 90, okay, which what I show you up here. So one more time, make sure the value that you plug in must change to degree mode because it's easier. And your calculator takes degree. Okay, so make sure it is in degree. And all you have to do is just put in your calculator, sine 90, or the reverse, 90 sine. Again, it depends on your calculator. Some calculator will do sine 90. Other calculator will do the reverse, 90 sine. And all you have to do is just plug it in to the calculator, press enter, and the answer come out to be 1. Okay, so that's how you do your homework. Again, make sure that it is in degree mode because your calculator takes degree. Okay, be very careful. Again, radians is the same as degree. The only difference is that it is written differently. Okay, so pi over 2 is in radian, 90 is in degree. Okay, again, make sure you use degree because it's easier, and plus your calculator takes degree. Okay, so this is how you do your homework for this section.